Welcome to my channel. I am here with new video. Libra 2020 Monthly Horoscopes. Let's take a look at the yearly Libra horoscope 2020 month-wise. January 2020 is a good time to take it easy and plan well for the future. February 2020 is a favorable period for the Librans to start new ventures. March 2020 will be the time when issues will affect your mind and upset you. April 2020 is the period when you need to balance your thoughts and actions. May 2020 will be a month when your extra energy will be put to good use. June 2020 will be an average month when things will move at a normal pace. July 2020 will be a slow month when many things will not work in your favor, making you question yourself. August 2020 is not the right time to take a stand against issues that are troubling you. September 2020 is an excellent period to fall in love or get married. October 2020 is favorable for business and new relationships. November 2020 is the time when everything will work out in your favor, but that doesn't mean that you go overboard. December 2020 is a great time for you to spend time with your loved ones.